Thanks for clicking. Today I am unboxing Medusa'S Makeup Beauty Box. Ooh. And as it says at the bottom, items included are vegan and cruelty-free. This box is a monthly subscription of $15.95. So the box includes 4 full-sized items. You don't get to choose your items and they don't do a beauty profile, so you basically get what you get. Let's see what they sent me. So opening up the box card, which basically tells you what comes included this month and the cost of everything. And at the back, I don't know, it shows stuff. This month, everything comes in a clear Ziplock makeup bag, which is pretty cool because it basically just shows everything. Ooh. I love being able to see everything instead of hunting around like I usually do. This is the bonus item for this month, and the bag itself costs $5. So that's interesting. And it is a true Ziplock because you have to do the zippy thing. So let's play with the makeup and see what we get. So included in the box this month, we have a total baked eyeshadow in the color For Sure, which is cute. It looks a little brick colored to me, and this retails for $9. Alright, so that is the back, and this is the front. So this is the color. And I'm going to swatch it, see how it looks. So this is totally baked in the color For Sure. Okay, I love this color. It is amazing. It's a little lighter than brick, but I think it's beautiful. So I'm happy with that. So the next item that we have in the bag, it's called a Mystical Eye Dust. And I'm a little nervous. I don't know why it's called an eye dust, but there it is. And this retails for $11.95. So let's open it up. It's in the color Psych. And let's open it up and see what it actually looks like. Hopefully it's along the same vein as this. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking like a hot mess. And the color, oh, it's a lovely purple shimmer. This is the For Sure. And this is, oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh my god. That looks beautiful. Okay, Medusa. I'm so excited to put that on my eyes right now. Mystical Eye Dust. I put it on my eyes and I gotta say it looks beautiful. I am such a fan of this. Oh my god, Medusa. My hair might look a mess, but my eyes look wonderful. I love it. We have their lip balm, and it's called a Cha-Cha-Cha lip balm in Cherry Balm. So I'm assuming it's cherry. I don't know what's up with this. Clearly they weren't done with the packaging before they let it go or put it in the box, but you know, I guess it's an indie, so you gotta cut them some slack. But I'm curious to see. I live in New York, so lip balms are always a plus, and making it vegan helps me out a lot. It smells like cherries. 100% cherries. Oh wow. It's definitely thick. I would buy this one. It's $8.95, so it's a little up there in price, but I gotta tell you, it feels fantastic on my lips. Yeah. This one is gonna go in heavy rotation. I might have to like rip off this extra wrapping that they put on there, but no, I'm definitely down for Cherry Balm. Okay, and lastly, in the little Ziploc bag, I have Metal AF lip gloss, and this retails for $11. It's really pink. I'll just show you. That's as pink as it is. I can't say I'm a fan of the pink, but you know, I've been pleasantly surprised so far, so hopefully this is gonna make it count. So let's swatch this and see how it looks. Oh, that's really pink. Oh, that is really pink. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit on. Lips already look glossy, but I'll put a little bit on. Oh wow. I am loving this pink look. All I need is a beautiful pink dress and I will be the star of the show. I look so mystical. I love it. This is what a full face Medusa looks like. So that's my January box from Medusa Makeup Beauty Box. I got a grand total of $45.90 and it was $15.95 to purchase. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll put a link down below. And as you can see from behind me, I have a lot more bags and boxes to come. So if you like what you saw, tap that like button. If you want to see more, tap that subscribe button. So have a good one. Cheers.